Hello everyone, welcome to my 3D printed smile. My name is Luke and this is my very first YouTube video, so please be nice. Now I wanted to base this channel on my personal experience and how getting dental implant surgery has changed my life for the better. There was a period of time where I was in extreme pain. It was almost 10 years where I was going with dental visits and multiple infections in my gums, and I had to get my teeth pulled and different fractured partial teeth that were causing me extreme pain. So got to a point where I sought out options to figure out how to relieve that pain, either getting them pulled and figuring out from there. I never imagined that I would be getting dental implants that were recommended. But here we are. I got a brand new smile, and it's completely changing my life for the better. So I just wanted to kind of find and create a community that can be supportive, that might be in other people in similar situations to myself, that were in complete pain, and now I'm not in pain. So I really just wanted to share that with you guys. Now, a little bit of background on myself is that I'm 33 years old. I'm a family man, veteran. My experience in work is in business, primarily sales, customer service, restaurant industry. A lot of customer service jobs where I'm face to face with customers and interacting and engaging with people. But then there got to a point where my confidence just took a tank, and I just no longer felt confident in front of people to sell them things. So I found jobs that I'd kind of hide in the back where I'm working third shift jobs, and it just really took a hit overall. My dental health was really poor, so it affected me mentally, physically. It affected my life, work life, personal life, family life. I wasn't confident to smile. I had trained my mouth actually not to smile, so I was that embarrassed. So being able to smile again like this is something that is incredible, and I just really wanted to kind of share that with you guys in kind of like a series with some information that you might find useful on how my experience has gone. I am not a dental professional whatsoever. I am not affiliated with any dentist or anything like that. I just really am just a normal guy that wants to tell you guys how dental implant surgery and these 3D printed teeth are changing my life daily, and I'm getting my confidence back. I'm able to smile again once I figure out how to do it right. But I want to share some of that incredible stuff with you guys, and kind of show you guys how I'm learning to eat and talk and interact with people. I'm going to kind of break it down for you guys, the surgery and different positive things regarding that. And I just I was in such pain, and now I'm not in pain. So I really think that others might benefit from hearing some of the information that I want to kind of put out there. I just I'm just amazed with it. So I've been about 2 months since I've had the surgery. We had it done in let me cut this off. Thanks you guys for watching, and you have a wonderful day.